Now, there was a certain amount of kinetic energy before the collision. And of course, we can all calculate that. Kinetic energy before the collision. That is 1/2 m1 v1 squared plus 1/2 m2 v2 squared. 1/2 m1 v1 squared, 1/2 m2 v2 squared. How much is it? You can do that as well as I can. If you add that up, you'll find 21.5 joules. Trivial to stick in the numbers. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think the situation is with the kinetic energy after the collision? Don't look at the numbers. Just use your intuition. It may be wrong, that's okay. My intuition is often wrong. So there was a certain amount of kinetic energy. We had this collision, and I want you to tell me whether you think that the kinetic energy has perhaps increased or decreased, or maybe the kinetic energy hasn't changed. Who thinks the kinetic energy has not changed? Good for you. I see some parents even. Who thinks the kinetic energy has decreased? Even better for you. Hey, there's a professor of physics there. I can't go wrong there. And who thinks the kinetic energy has increased? No one thinks that. Hey, it's amazing. Let's take a look. Kinetic energy after the collision. That would be 1/2 m1 plus m2 times v prime squared. Would we agree? Let me write this at a different location. So this was the 21.5 joules. Well, you can do this as well as I can. We know what v1 prime is, that is 11/3, and you will find that this number equals 20.2 joules. So the kinetic energy went down.